In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and improve overall team efficiency, this integration can be a game changer. So let's dive in. First, open up your Monday.com account and navigate to the board that you want to integrate. This will be your sample board. From here, you need to locate the integrations icon, which is an essential element when you're looking to connect Monday.com to external tools. Clicking on this icon will open up a world of possibilities to extend the functionality of your board. Once you've clicked on the integrate option, you'll be introduced to a variety of integrations. Here, you want to find and select the option labeled Integrations 50. This step is crucial as it leads you towards discovering all available connections for your board. After opening this menu, you'll be presented with a search bar. This is where you'll type in Microsoft Teams. By directly typing the name, you can quickly refine the results, allowing you to pinpoint the exact integration you want to implement. Now you'll see Microsoft Teams pop up in the search results. Clicking on it will bring you to the next stage. Here, you will be required to choose a template. Templates are predefined setups that guide you on how to connect and configure Monday.com with Microsoft Teams in a way that best suits your needs. Whether it's task management, automatic notifications, or any other use case, these templates simplify the process. Explore the templates that are offered to find the one that aligns best with your workflow. Don't hesitate to click through a few options. Each template is different and offers unique capabilities, so it's worth taking the time to find the one that complements your team's specific requirements. Once you have settled on a suitable template, it's time to click Connect. This button initiates the installation of your chosen integration, linking Monday.com and Microsoft Teams together seamlessly. Follow any additional prompts to ensure successful authorization and completion of this integration. By setting up this integration, you allow for a seamless sharing of information between both platforms. Now your teams can enjoy a more connected experience, ensuring that tasks and communications flow smoothly without needing constant manual updates. And there you have it. 9 simple steps to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. Hopefully, this guide empowers you to streamline your processes and boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.